Then inside here, we're going to click APIs. So we've got a user API at the moment, and we've got one route called create user. This is kind of what we want, except instead of having /create user, we want to actually have /users and then have a post. So that's kind of the normal way that you do it. I think in the last video, I kind of made it a little bit confusing. So let's see if we can edit this. See, edit resource, delete resource. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. And then what I'm going to do is do what I did in the last video. I'm going to create a new resource. I'm going to call it users. I'm going to enable API Gateway Cores and save that. And then underneath this, we're going to create a new method. It will be a post. And we'll hit save. And then we're going to connect it to a Lambda function, which is called create user. And that is all that we need to do. We might need Lambda proxy integration. We can circle back if it ends up not working. We may need that. And then for DynamoDB, let's go ahead and look at the tables we've got. So we've got tables here. We've got the users table, so that's what we want. And then it takes a user ID partition key. So that means that the user ID is, for our case, like 1. And then it's got some more fields in here that we can get to later. So that's good. And in the Lambda function, we've got create user. So this create user Lambda function is running Node.js 10. And we've got this code which we created in the last video. And so now what we want to do is we want to basically connect all this together. So let's go ahead and let's test this real quick. Let's go ahead and throw a request body in here. And let's check the Lambda function code to see what it's supposed to get. So it's going to check for key 1. So let's go ahead and pass key 1 here. And then we'll say success. And then let's see what we get back. Okay, so we're getting back the correct thing. And then now if we throw error, and then if we throw something that it doesn't know, perfect. And then also we want to hit deploy API. And we're going to use the same stage which we had before, which is prod. And then we can click the drop down, find the post method, copy the link address of Postman. And Postman is an API testing tool, so if you don't have this already, we're going to use it throughout this course. So you can switch over and then grab this this Postman desktop app. It's there's no credit card or anything like that required. You can just use it. And then we're going to jump in here and we're going to switch out this URL to say /users. It's still going to be a post method, so we select post from this dropdown. And then the body of the request is going to be different. So let's do success. And this should come back with a 200. Yep, and then we should be able to pass error. And we should get 500. And then finally, we'll pass XYZ, maybe and then we get back 400. So all that's working, that's good.